Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to the online lesson of mathematics. This, this is the chapter number 2, multiplication and division, and lesson 11. Today we are going to start new chapter and we will work on book 4, page 27 to 30. So just take out your books and open the page 27. Okay. Now look at over here, the first page. What the topic is? The factors. What are the factors? These are the numbers. When we divide these numbers by other numbers, the answer has no remainder. Is it clear? So, come to the focus area. In this page, they have given you 3 figures. And what the question is? The question is, can you write a multiplication equation to show the number of donuts in each box? So let's start to write the equation. Come to the first equation over here. Box A. How many rows in box A? There is 1 row in box A. And how many donuts in 1 row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means there is 1 row, and in 1 row there are 8 donuts. So how many total donuts in row 1? There are 8 donuts. Is it clear? In this way you will write the multiplication equation. Okay, now come to the second box, that is box B. How many rows in box B? 2 rows. And how many donuts in 1 row? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it means there are 2 rows, and how many donuts in each row? 4 donuts in each row. So what will be the total donuts in both the row? 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. The final answer is 8. So let's count the total donuts in box B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here the answer will be the same. Now look at over here. 1, 8, 2 and 4. These both are the factors. Why? Because what is the final answer here? 8. When you will divide 8 by 1, the answer will be 8. When you will divide 8 divided by 8, the answer will be 1. It means answer has no remainder. Is it clear? These numbers are divisible by on both the numbers 1 and 8, both the numbers are divisible by these numbers, and answer has no remainder. So these numbers are the factors. Come to the next page. We will do the box C later, but come to the next page. The box A and box B. I have written these 2 equations for you in the last page. Same thing has written over here. 8 multiplied by 8, the product of 1 and 8 is 8. Simple. Product, what does it mean, product? Product means multiplication. Okay. The power box B. 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. The product of 2 and 4 is 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are factors of 8. So what does it mean? 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Listen to me, class. It means 8 is divisible by all these numbers. Is it clear? 8 comes in the table of all these. How? 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. starts from the table of 1. Is it clear? In all these numbers, or all these numbers, 8 comes in their table. Is it clear? So these numbers are the factors of 8. Now come to the box C. Look at carefully the box C. Can you look at over? There is a gap over here. There is no donut in third row. In one row, how many donuts? 3. In second row, how many donuts? 3. But in third row, how many donuts? 2. Here, one is left. It has a blank. So, what does it mean? Look at over here. How many total donuts? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many total rows? 3. So, tell me, is 3 is a factor of 8? What does it mean? 8 comes in the table of 3? No. It doesn't come in the table of 3. So, it means 3 is not the factor of 8. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the question number 2 on page 28. What are all the factors of 16? Now look at over here. These are also donuts or some discs. Okay. Now there is one row over here. And can you count how many donuts or discs in one row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It means there is one row, and how many donuts or discs in one row? That is 16. So what will be the final answer? That is 16. Is it clear? Next, here, how many rows? 2. And how many discs in each rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does it mean? It means there are 2 rows and how many discs in each row? That is 8. So what will be the final answer? Again the same answer, 16. Come to the next one. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many discs in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 multiplied 4 rows and 4 discs. It means 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Is it clear? Now, what you have to do, they are asking you, what are all the factors of 16? Look at over here, these numbers. 16 comes in the table of 1, 6, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So, it means these are the factors of 16. 16 comes in the table of 1. Sorry, 1. Wait a minute. 16 comes in the table of 1. Here, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these all are the factors of 16. Is it clear? By doing this process, you are able to do the question number 3 on next page, that is page 29. Look at over here. Is 7 a factor of 16? Is 7 a factor of 16? And how? You have to check it. Just orally tell me. Does 16 comes in the table of 7? You all know the table of 7. No, 16 doesn't come in the table of 7. So just do it by the doing process. 16, 7. 7, 2 are 14. 6 minus 4, that 2 remainder. So 2 is the remainder. What did I tell you? 7. The factors are those numbers which is divisible by any number but it don't have any remainder. But here 2 is remainder. It means 7 is not a factor of 16 and it is written over here. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Find all the factors of 28. Similarly, you have to check the number 28 in which table it comes. For example, here they have written you 1 multiplied by dash, 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by. Okay, now 1 multiplied by 28 is equal to 28. 2 multiplied by 14 is equal to 28. 4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 28. Is it clear? Sorry, 4 multiplied by 7. Here, sorry. 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. And okay. Now, look at these numbers here. These all are the factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. 28 comes in the table of all these numbers. So what does it mean? It means these all numbers are the factors of 28. Now come to the question number 5. What are all the factors of 100? What you have to do? 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. 2 multiplied by 50 is equal to 100. 4 multiplied by 25 is equal to 100. 5 multiplied by 20 is equal to 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. These all numbers are the factors of 100. Is it clear? Similarly, now come to the question number 6. Hopefully you all know how to find the factors, but here in question number 6 they have written one new thing for you, that is common factors. What are the common factors? It means if you have given two numbers and you have to find factors of both the two numbers, then there are some numbers which are common, which are same in both the factors. For example, look at over here, question number 6. Find all the common factors of 24 and 32. They have given you factors of 24 over here and 32 over here. And they have written the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Can you tell me what are the same numbers in both the factors? They have mentioned you these numbers in red color. But you have to tell me by yourself, honestly, what are the same numbers? What are the common numbers in both factors? That is 1, 2, 4, 8. It means 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors. Is it clear? Are you able to do the question number 7? What are all the common factors in the next page? Here, what are all the common factors of 8 and 36? You have to do, how you have to do? First of all, you have to find the factors of 8. Then you have to find the factors of 36. After then, you are able to find the common factors. And where you will write over here the common factors. Now, what you have to do? You have to do the activity by yourself, and this is the practice for you. In this practice, you have to do the question number 1, list all the factors of each number. In question number 1, you just have to find the factors, and in question number 2, you have to find the common factors. How you will find the common factors? First of all, you will find the factors of 4, then you will find the factors of 12. After that, you are able to find the common factors of these two numbers. Is it clear? So this is your homework. Try to do it by yourself. If you have any problem, If you have any confusion, then please ask me in the group. We'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.